Oh, welcome to another installment of Mixing with the Geek. I tell you guys, it is getting cold here in LA. It's down to 65 degrees. Can you believe that? Well, what better way to warm up than with a hot drink? And I've got just your ticket. In honor of a Charlie Brown Christmas episode, I present to you the Whitecap. This drink comes from Beach Bum Berry's book Remixed, and it's one of the few hot tiki drinks. We'll start with the preheated mug. I simply filled it with boiling water and let it sit for about a minute. Now that it's nice and toasty, add 3/4 ounce of Lopez coconut cream. That should do it. 3 whole cloves. Now an ounce of 151 proof rum. I'm using Lemon Heart here, but any brand would do. A 1/2 ounce of dark rum and 1/4 ounce of light rum. And then we're gonna add 8 ounces or 1 cup of boiling hot whole milk. For all you non-dairy drinkers out there, you can use a coconut milk beverage instead or your favorite dairy alternative. I'm gonna dust it with a little bit of cinnamon. Now I'm just gonna mix it with the candy cane, which doubles as our garnish. Now that is tasty. Wow, that is warming me up already. Whew, this could almost be summertime. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy making this yourself. Let me know how it goes in the comments, and remember to drink responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek. I'll catch you on the flip side. That is good.